This is a 2011 Lexus GX 460, one owner, in absolutely amazing condition. Great service history, needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. New Michelin tires. Incredible condition for its age. Power third row. Everything works on this vehicle. Tow package underneath this little cover. Rear parking sensors, navigation, backup camera, air ride suspension, moonroof, heated and air conditioned seats. Not a door ding or a rock chip on this. The mirrors and the hood have these little bra covers, plastic bra covers on it. Incredible condition. One owner, Texas vehicle, rust free. The cream leather is meticulous. Just an unbelievable condition. Adjustable air ride suspension. We have both keys. Push button start. Backup camera. Navigation. Heated and air conditioned seats. No crack dash. Moonroof. 189,000 miles. One owner. Every maintenance record. Of course, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Power telescoping steering wheel works. Everything works. Like I said, absolutely in incredible condition. Sorry the video took so long. There's just lots of stuff on this vehicle to show you. So, 2011 Lexus GX 460, one owner, in pristine condition for its age. Needs absolutely nothing.